So this is the new ThinkPad X1 Carbon. It's lighter than the old X1 Carbon. It's 2.8 pounds, 17 millimeters thin. It's the lightest 14-inch Ultrabook in the world. We have a WQHD display, so a nice high-resolution display. But also we have introduced the adaptive keyboard, where we have the row of icons that only appear in context aware to what application you're doing. So for an example would be, if I go to Skype, you'll see that only the Skype controls come up. If I switch to like an internet browser, only the browser rows come up, like refresh or add a new tab. I can also scroll through it manually, and we also have another row which is the traditional row, where if I'm using PowerPoint or something like that, I can still use my F1 to F12 keys. We've added a few other features. As you can see on here, we have a voice activation key using Intel Nuance, and we also have gesture control as well. So if you wanted to gesture doing presentations, that sort of thing, or control your music, you can use gesture controls as well. The other changes that we've made is we've added a larger 5-button click pad, and also we have the OneLink Dock. So we're also introducing today the OneLink Pro Dock, which will give you power, Ethernet, all with one cable, and it also supports dual monitor as well for professional usage. Yeah, so the starting price is at $12.99. It's available today. Actually, you can be able to buy it tomorrow on the web in North America. So there's an i5 vPro, non-vPro option. There's an i7 vPro, non-vPro option. The i7 non-vPro has an HD 5000 graphics, so GT3 graphics capability. 4 gig and 8 gig RAM option, and it has a 128, 180, 240, and a 512 and a 256 as well, SSD option. From a display point, you have a WQHD Touch, a WQHD non-touch, and also an HD Plus non-touch version. So on the ports, we have the OneLink Dock, which uses the existing power supply port as well. We have a full HDMI, we have a mini DP, USB 3.0 with power, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the other side, again another USB 3, and we have a native Ethernet adapter. So there's a little dongle that comes with this that will provide you with real Ethernet. On the back, we have a SIM slot where we support 3G and 4G LTE.
Gobi one?
It's the Gobi, yeah. We support that as well. Nothing on the bottom. We have two speakers on the